Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best baking gifts are probably one of the most thoughtful presents you can give to the woman in your life who finds joy and solace in the kitchen, transforming simple ingredients into delightful creations. Whether she's a seasoned baker who dreams of artisanal bread or a beginner experimenting with her first batch of cookies, the right gift can elevate her passion, inspire new culinary adventures, and make her baking sessions even more enjoyable and efficient, showing her how much you appreciate her dedication to the art of baking. Number 5. RFAQK 200 PCs Cake Decorating Kit. Unleash your inner baker with this comprehensive kit. It includes everything you need to start decorating cakes like a professional, right out of the box. Effortlessly decorate your creations with a smooth 360-degree rotating turntable. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals, and works for both right and left-handed decorators. Create stunning designs with a wide selection of professional-grade decorating tips. You'll be able to craft beautiful swirls, rosettes, and flowers with ease. This kit comes with all the essential tools for smooth icing, easy tip changes, and delicate flower placement. You'll have everything you need for a flawless finish. Need a little guidance? We've got you covered with a helpful ebook and video tutorial. Plus, our customer support is available 24/7 to assist you. Looking for the perfect gift for a baking enthusiast? This all-in-one decorating set is sure to impress and inspire their creativity. What we like? This is the ultimate all-in-one kit for aspiring cake artists. It includes a smooth turning turntable, a vast array of numbered icing tips with a pattern chart, and helpful tools like scrapers and spatulas. If you are looking for a comprehensive set to start decorating cakes like a pro right out of the box, this is the one for you. What people say. The turntable, cake cutter, and spatulas were very useful and helped level layers with ease. The kit includes a good amount of pastry bags and a helpful cleaning brush. This kit is super good. It is quite practical and has everything you need to learn, all of good quality, well sealed and packaged. It brings several options and different designs to decorate. It's super complete. The quality of the frosting tips and the other decorating items are surprisingly good for the price point. The leveler takes a little practice but works really well. Number 4. KPKitchen Pancake Batter Dispenser, Purple. Say goodbye to messy kitchens. This durable dispenser is made from BPA-free plastic and is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use and perfect pouring every time. Our redesigned pulley handle is built for durability and won't break. The fail-safe valve prevents leaks, keeping your hands and kitchen clean. It's safe enough for kids to use. Tired of uneven pancakes? This dispenser makes it easy to achieve consistent sizes for all your baked goods. Simply squeeze and go for perfect results every time. It's not just for pancakes. Use it for waffles, crepes, muffins, brownie mix, and even pizza sauce. Adjust liquid for thicker batters and enjoy endless baking possibilities. We stand by our product with a 3-year guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll refund your purchase. Enjoy your stress-free baking experience. What we like? Say goodbye to messy batter drips and uneven pancakes. This dispenser features a strong, reinforced handle and a fail-safe valve for clean, consistent pouring every time. If you love making pancakes, waffles, or muffins and want a quick, easy, and mess-free way to get perfect portions, this tool is a game-changer for your kitchen. What people say. Such a simple little device, but it is a game-changer. Fill it with any kind of batter and squeeze the handle to release the batter out the bottom. It does drip and it prevents the messes usually made with pancakes, cupcakes, etc. Very inexpensive and easy to clean. Large mouth at the top makes it easy to fill your batter. It is lightweight and easy to control the exact amount of batter you want to dispense. This pancake batter dispenser works well as long as the mixture is semi-liquid and specifically pancake style. The release mechanism is smooth, the portion control is consistent, and it keeps the process much cleaner than pouring from a bowl. It's not meant for thicker mixes, but with the right batter it makes breakfast prep feel effortless. Wonderful tool for making waffles and pancakes. So easy and you can store leftover batter in the fridge. So glad I ordered it. Number 3. Rachael Nonstick Bakeware Set with Grips, 10-piece, gray. Get ready to bake it all with this extensive 10-piece bakeware set. It includes everything you need for cakes, breads, cookies, and more, all in a stylish gray with marine blue grips. Crafted from heavy-gauge steel, these pans ensure fast and even heat distribution. Say goodbye to warping and hello to perfectly baked goods every time. Bake with confidence up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The extra-wide, grippy handles provide comfort and control, making it easy to move your creations in and out of the oven. Enjoy effortless food release and quick cleanup thanks to the high-quality enhanced non-stick coating. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious treats. Feel good about your baking, as a portion of the proceeds supports Yummo, Rachael's nonprofit dedicated to fostering healthy relationships with food and cooking for children and families. This set is the perfect addition to your kitchen, complementing other pieces from Rachael's collections. Bring fun and style to your baking adventures. What we like. This extensive bakeware set offers everything you need for all your baking projects, from cakes to cookies. Its heavy-gauge steel ensures fast, even heating and resists warping, while the extra-wide, grippy handles provide comfort and control. If you're looking for a durable, high-quality bakeware set that makes baking and cleanup a breeze, this collection is an excellent choice. What people say. The metal is very thick, much more sturdy than any other pan's cookie sheets I have ever owned. I love that all of the pans have a good size handle area on both sides. I used to hate picking up my cake pan or muffin tins and having the thumb of my oven mitt smush into the food when I was trying to remove it from a hot oven. Best pans ever. So worth the money. These are a definite investment, but seem like they will last me for years to come. Number 2. Banneton Bread Proofing Basket Set. This all-inclusive kit has everything you need to refine your bread baking process like an artisan. Unbox it and start baking, it's that simple. Ditch the flimsy and embrace the sturdy. Skillfully woven from top-tier Indonesian rattan, our proofing baskets stand the test of time, offering reliability batch after batch. Awaken the artisan baker in you. These aren't just tools, they are companions for your baking journey. Elevate your skills and impress your guests. Unite your family over the wholesome aroma of homemade sourdough. This kit is your passport to healthy, home-baked goodness that's fun to make and joy to share. Our proofing baskets and supplies include easy-to-follow instructions. Plus, we offer a free replacement or refund for any defects. We're all about happy bakers. What we like. Unlock your inner artisan baker with this essential sourdough kit. Crafted from top-tier Indonesian rattan, these proofing baskets help you achieve beautiful, crusty loaves. If you're passionate about sourdough and want reliable tools to elevate your bread-making game, this set is perfect for creating healthy, homemade goodness. What people say. The set comes with everything you need to make sourdough bread: a mat, whisk, 2 Banneton baskets with liners, lame, bowl scraper, sling. Everything was nice quality and easy to clean. All needed items for baking. I love being able to measure out my bread loaves with the silicone mat, thank you OCD, for perfection every time. Number 1. Fun Silicone Spatula Gift Set. Introducing a delightful 3-piece silicone spatula set designed to bring a smile to your face and charm to your kitchen. It's the perfect blend of fun and functionality. Looking for a unique and fun gift? This set is ideal for holidays, birthdays, housewarmings, and more. It's guaranteed to bring joy to anyone who loves to cook. Crafted with high-quality, food-grade silicone and durable bamboo handles, these spatulas are heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. They are also stain, fade, and odor-resistant for long-lasting use. Each set includes 3 12-inch spatulas with fun quotes, a beautiful butterfly bow, and a full-color photo gift card. All you need to add is your personal touch. These spatulas are perfect for baking, cooking, and sautéing. You can even split the set for party favors, stocking stuffers, or cookie exchanges, adding a clever and fun finishing touch. With their durable construction and professionally formed prints that won't rub off, you'll be able to enjoy these spatulas for years to come. They're designed to make your cooking experience more enjoyable. What we like. Add a touch of fun and personality to your kitchen with this charming spatula set. Made from high-quality, heat-resistant silicone with sturdy bamboo handles, these spatulas are as durable as they are delightful. If you're searching for a unique and cheerful gift for a baker, or simply want to bring a smile to your own cooking routine, these spatulas are a fantastic choice. What people say. The writing looks very clear and is part of the silicone material. No chance of the writing coming off. I think the bamboo handle looks very elegant and adds a natural touch. Bamboo is naturally antibacterial and eco-friendly. The one I'm using is very easy to clean by removing the head and running in dishwasher. It works well in bowls, cans from canned food, and I even spread icing on cupcakes with it. The head is heavy duty, but not too thick to do the job. They are sturdy yet pliable enough to adapt to your needs. I love the way they scrape the hard to mix bottom edges of bowls and pots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.